Hi everyone. My name is Ajay Kumar Kodaikal, and this is my interactive data visualization project. This tool allows users to explore health and socioeconomic data across US counties using histograms, scatter plots, and a choropleth map. It helps users analyze trends in poverty, income, health conditions, and insurance coverage, giving insight into how these factors relate. Let's start with the histogram first. This shows the distribution of a selected attribute across all the counties. Right now, it's displaying poverty percentage, and if I hover over a bar, a tooltip uh, shows the range, the count, and the percentage of the counties in that range. I can also brush over the histogram to select a specific range of counties, and this updates the map accordingly. As we can see, the map and all the other visualizations are getting updated. And there's a reset button, which basically resets all the visualizations accordingly. Next, we can take a look at the scatter plot. This helps us compare two variables. The x-axis is set to poverty percentage by default, and the y-axis is median household income by default. Each dot represents a county, and if I hover over a point, as you can see, it shows detailed information about the county. I can also change the y-axis variable to compare different attributes. For example, looking at health insurance coverage instead of like income, and moving to the choropleth map. The map provides a geographic representation of the selected attributes. Right now, it is showing the poverty percentage across US counties. The darker colors indicate higher values, and the lighter colors indicate lower values. If I hover over a county, uh, it basically shows a tooltip uh, with the exact value of the attribute along with the county name. The map updates automatically when I change the attribute and allowing us to see geographic patterns for like different variables. So I'm gonna just select a different attribute like elderly percentage, and we can see that the map is getting updated with the values for the elderly population. I have selected different colors which represent the mood of the attribute selected. For example, income, I've selected like a greenish shade since like we relate income to the color green. And so finally, by exploring these visualizations, we can see the correlation in the data. For example, the counties with high poverty rates tend to have lower median household incomes and higher rates of number of health insurances. Stroke and heart diseases rates may appear higher in certain regions, particularly in the southeastern US regions. This tool makes it easy to explore health and socioeconomic trends across the US, helping users identify important relationships in the data. Finally, I'd like to mention the map legend. It's basically telling the user that the lighter shade is lower value and the darker shade is the higher value. This is one of the first visualizations projects I have made using D3, and I'm quite happy with what I've done. And for further improvements, I could include more on-demand information like the county names as well. And instead of having a separate brush area, I could include probably a brush on the map, directly on the map, which could be a little more user-friendly. And finally, I could maybe add them all together and like make scrolling as less as possible. So these are the future developments for sure. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this project helpful.